Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. I think this video really speaks for itself today, but there are a couple times I want to make sure and do a voiceover so you fully understand what's happening on this breakfast brisket burrito on the Blackstone griddle. I'll put a link in the description if you want to know specifically how I cooked this brisket for this video today. And yes, this brisket was in the fridge overnight, and we had this ready to go for the morning for this breakfast brisket burrito. As you can see here, the first thing I'm doing is getting the brisket warmed up and caramelized on the blacktop Blackstone griddle. No butter was used. The brisket is so, fatty in nature. You don't need any butter when you're doing this thing on the griddle. Of course, when you put down onions, make sure you put on your butter as well. Now here's what I want to talk about. Alright, this is a little messy, but what I did is we have the caramelized onions, and I introduced a lot of eggs to this. Now this is messy, but don't worry, the Blackstone griddle can take care of all of this concoction, egg mixture, what have you, with no problems whatsoever. Make sure it's not too hot. You don't want to overcook these eggs at all, which I did not do. So you want to make sure it's moving, make sure the eggs are getting moved around on the Blackstone griddle. So you keep folding them over on themselves, as well as movement throughout the entire cooking process here. And what you have here are hash browns right from the package. Yes, I know. You don't have to make these things, everything from scratch when doing this at home. You can go right from the carton and get your hash browns. All right, there you have it. The breakfast brisket burrito on the Blackstone griddle. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Keep barbecuing, America. Cheers.